Okay, it's an exaggeration. But those 6 YouTube updates, they will blow your channel. They will change. They'll blow up your channel for this year. So follow me and I will explain to you. So YouTube have officially announced a huge set of updates for this year. And I'm not just gonna share and list them with you, but I'm gonna explain the benefits from each one of them for you as a content creator. Let's start with the biggest and the most important one. In my opinion, this is a smart move by YouTube, and it's gonna change completely the way creators collaborate with brands. And it is called. So this integration allows you to place the sponsored clip in the certain place in the video, and you can erase it or replace it with another one whenever you want. Until now, this was not possible. So before this, brands and collaboration with brands worked like this. The brands pay you, you film the clip, you put it in your video, and it's there forever. For now, it's different because of this deal. Everything is gonna change. They're gonna change the game. You can actually ask for more money if they want the video to stay for longer than 6 months, maybe a year, 2. That like they want it to stay forever. Or you just, after the end of the contract, you're gonna delete that part recently, you're gonna replace it with another one from another company. That means you're gonna earn more. Be rich. You should think about your videos as a space that can be sold for another brand to put their own advertisement on that place. This is a door for new opportunities, and you can even sponsor yourself in the future. You can take about, even if the retention drops completely in the ads, you can take the spot and now the retention will flow smoothly. I got the water here filled for you too. This is the YouTube juice. I'm crazy, yeah. So let's continue. What this means now also that you're gonna start negotiating not just on price, but also on the time and the period that video should stay on your the clip advertisement sponsored. How long can it stay on your channel? 6 months, 9 months, a year plus, for many years. That's mean you're also gonna be thinking during your creative process about video ideas that's gonna last forever. It's not just seasonal. That is timeless. It's gonna stay there for too many years, and it's called evergreen. That's gonna bring viewers for so many years to come. The next update is something that brings back the old memories. It's something that I've been waiting for. So many more creators. It's the work that's actually made us, one of the elements that made YouTube what it is and made us fall in love with it, which is collaborating with other creators. And now YouTube have brought back this update, and you can collaborate up to 5 creators. But I'll explain. So after you decide to work with a couple of creators, when the video gets uploaded on one person's channel, it shows up on the other channels. And obviously all the creators have their names and the button to subscribe. So this means that each creator audience will see all the other creators, and that's mean a faster growth rate for you and more opportunities. At the door of opportunities gets opened widely to you. You will be discovered by the other creators, but the one person who's gonna see the analytics and get the revenue is the person who uploaded that video initially. But you should actually agree before even the video is made how you're gonna split the revenue. And yeah, and now what the criteria are like, who you should decide to join. Not just people who have the big numbers, but people who have. You should go about this collaboration strategy in a smart way, which means you don't only follow the people with similar numbers or higher ones, but people who share the same and similar values. And because it's actually not the names and the numbers that hit big, it's actually the idea. Fundamentally, if the idea is strong, the results will be big, and the execution of the team. 2 channels, 3 channels, all working together. So we're also gonna not disagree, but agree on how we're gonna divide and split the profits based on the effort. But actually, and maybe it's not always about the profit. Maybe you gonna measure this in a different profit by becoming a name recognized on the platform because you're gaining viewership and subscribers. So maybe that's your profit. You decide, I'm gonna put half the effort. I'm not gonna edit, I'm not gonna record, I'm just gonna join the video, practicing it, and that's my part. And you will not need to be paid by the money because you've been paid in other areas. So you're just gonna think through it and decide how you're gonna go after this strategy. But trust me, one of the best. The next update is something people used to pay a lot of money and put a lot of effort back in the past. Now YouTube is offering it completely free and without any effort from our side. It's just a button that's automatically turned on, and it's called auto domain, with lip syncing. And basically, it just means that you now can speak any language. What? You become politic, or I don't know what's the word. Put it here. I want to be one of those people one day. I want to speak Spanish. Speak Spanish. I want to speak Spanish. Oi, oi, oi. Yeah, sorry. More energy on YouTube so I can see, share tips and stuff, you know. So using the artificial intelligence, YouTube will make you speak fluently any language and will synchronize it or synchronize with your lips. So when you speak like this, it's like the words gonna. It's something that many creators have dreamed of doing to reach a global audience, and they tried it. It's so many and it was so expensive, but they couldn't reach the accuracy that YouTube now offer currently for free. And it's it used to be weird and difficult to follow those old TV shows on the past when they like have a different language, and you couldn't follow because you see their lips moving a certain way and you can hear the words that are being talked. It's not simultaneously accurate, so it's just annoying experience and not enjoyable. But YouTube now is working on improving it so well that it will be exactly like the words come in different languages as the lips is moving, so it will be like seamless. It won't be like bothering you. You will enjoy just watching it. Now, there will be big improvement. YouTube is adding a lot of AI stuff, so soon this will be like available for everyone. In my opinion, this update is so useful for creators who want to go broad and wide and just have a worldwide audience. Basically, because I said, yeah, this is gonna be very helpful and useful for those who want to have a global reach and expand, be known by many people around the globe. So, let me check my notes here. Oh yeah, I just read. The second thing is like, if you want to turn on and try this tool, you should start with your most popular videos, because if it worked in your region or like locally with your audience, it possibly will work globally with the rest of the world. And next idea is to, like, as you making videos, try to make them more visual, put images and b-rolls more, and yeah, because we can understand things with our eyes even faster before we can understand it with our ears. You can just see the thing and just say a picture is worth 1,000 words. Something like this. I don't know. This video probably needs more pictures and photos. The next update is going to save you also money, because believe it or not, also people used to pay for this kind of tools, but now you can just do it for free on YouTube. It's you can basically check 3 thumbnails, 3 titles, and you just test them against each other and you see which one will resonate with your audience. But you gotta test one element at a time. So either you're gonna reduce. Oh, look at my hand. This is like, oh, this is because of the stuff here, the logo. I just used makeup like. Anyway, I hope that hooked you. You got to hear, you're watching. So as I said, the A/B testing tool will allow you now to take off the guesswork and just, or reduce it at least, because you're still guessing as you're thinking of a title and making a thumbnail. But now you got accurate way to try it with 3 different thumbnails, 3 different titles. You're just gonna try one title with all of those, and then you just decide after the thumbnail work, and then you just put another title, same thumbnail over and over, but like same. You just gotta fixate the thumbnails one and fixate the titles once. So, and this is the learning from this experience. Now you're gonna have data, real accurate data, which title and thumbnail your audience are clicking and watching because of, and you're gonna be improving your guesswork and improving your intentions. In the future, when you're gonna think of titles and think of designing thumbnails, you'll be using this data naturally, and you'll be improving in the process of the making, even in the idea generated. The point is just not to judge yourself as like, oh, I used to think of bad titles, bad thumbnails. No, just take this as a learning experience and future improved opportunities. So because the tests of today are the opportunities of the future. They're just gonna make better thumbnails and titles, trust me, and ideas, big topics, and all the stuff that's gonna improve your channel. The next update is like also something that helps us shortcuts and you know, put less effort because it's automatically clip long form videos into short clips. Here's how it works. With this update, YouTube artificial intelligence will scan your video looking for the most engaged moments, and it will just automatically clip them and just turn them into shorts. But you will still have the final choice and the decision to decide how you want to edit them and keep some parts, take some parts, you know, do the finest touches. Because in my opinion, AI can save us a lot of time, but it's the final human touch to make the difference. You gotta give it that element of human. With the collaboration of it, if because in my opinion, it's the best performing videos are the one that take the advantage of AI, but also use the human advantage, the human touch. So it doesn't completely erase and take your creativity. It just enhances and you know, save you the effort. So please take advantage of those tools. Next. So obviously, the obvious way of us benefiting from this tool is that instead of like creating new content from scratch every time, we can just use this tool and benefit and use our existing content. One more aspect, YouTube is focusing on so much and adding many improvements time after time, and it just keep updating it. It's just live streams. It got set of many features, I think 5. So I'm gonna mention them and try to briefly explain them. The first one is a practice mode. Literally, you can just open a live stream and interact with the people virtually, like simulating the live experience. So you gain the experience and you have this safe space to practice. You're gonna gain the confidence and be prepared to go for your real live stream in the future. The second one is that you can join someone else broadcast live streams and you can collaborate together, and this is again the benefit of this, that both each other audiences will support you and engage with you, and you do have a much higher growth and more opportunities. The third one is that you can, after finish the live podcast, you can clip parts of it and just share them as clips. This is again gonna get you more views, more subscribers, more audience, more engaged. You can save the best moments from live to keep it on your channel. Imagine like live streaming vertically and horizontally at the same time, simultaneously. So people are on laptop or TV, they can watch the horizontal, and people who are on their phone scrolling, they will have that vertical live screen showing up on their For You page or their home, and that's mean you getting both of the worlds in the same time, and you having all different audiences, and this is amazing. For the first time ever, it's possible. Okay, in my opinion, those are the most crucial updates of this year. Okay, in my opinion, those are the most the most important updates of this year. This is bad, but I will try all of them and I will keep you updated. And thank you for your time, for your attention. I'll see you soon. Come on, I got dressed up and all. Dude, I don't look like. I look handsome today. Got this shirt. It's like for you. Oh, I'm out of space.